Hi guys, welcome to the 2021 Christmas episode. Today we are going to learn how to cut Christmas holly leaves. These leaves are massively used in Christmas crafting work. I'm going to draw 1 centimeter, half centimeter and different size of holly leaves. We need different A4 color sheets. Now I'm going to draw holly leaves on it. Make sure your shape was perfect and cutting perfectly. Now our holly leaves are ready. Now we are making holly flower. We need red A4 sheet. The size is given below. We need 3 different sizes: 3.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now I'm already draw and going to cut holly leaf flower stencils. Now perfectly folding on the paper and follow my steps properly. If you miss any step, you can't draw or cut such type of flower. So follow my steps properly and one by one. Now I will draw on it. Now cut it in 3 different sizes. Big, small and smaller. Now make them curl perfectly. Now I'm gonna open it. And it's looking like this. Now I'm going to use our paper glue and attach it one by one. Now we need some beads and paste it at the center of the flower. It's looking like a stamen of the flower. And now I'm going to attach holly leaves on it. Our beautiful holly flower is ready. Merry Christmas to all of you, and hopefully you enjoy and like my video. Bye bye.